Hello friends, this is NST Coaching and I'm your educator Nivedita, and in your English speaking, right, this is very important topic in your English speaking, that is your article, that is a, n and the, when you have to use a, when you have to use n, and when you have to use the. This is the topic for our lesson, right? And before moving on to the lesson and before seeing the what are the rules when we can use this a, n or the, let's begin with our that before see the video till the end so that you get the full knowledge of this particular topic and you know how to speak English in a proper format, right? Do not forget to press the bell icon, which is the subscription button. Do subscribe and do like and share the video so that we are motivated to give you more lessons on this English speaking. And do not forget that we are having online and offline batches for your seated for your English speaking, as seated is just a few weeks just a week away, right? Do not forget it. And now let's begin with our lesson. First you have the article. What is article actually? ये I'm just telling you in a Hindi so that you understand that ये उपपद जिसे कहते हैं हम demonstrative adjective. What is this? Is your demonstrative adjective, which means you have to with before speaking a sentence you must know what title, how you're going to demonstrate that noun. We're talking about noun here. Before saying any noun, you must know how you are going to address it. You can say this is your address, right? And your article, these are your important article, or you can say before any sentence you're beginning to say any sentence, you have to use this article. This is your a, n and the. And there are basically of two types. This is your indefinite and definite article. Indefinite, today we are going to see indefinite only. And in indefinite article, what do you mean by indefinite, right? The question arises, indefinite क्या होता है? Article हमने कह दिया article होता है, तो indefinite क्या होता है? As the name suggests, indefinite, that is there is no you can say अनिश्चितता, or there is no proper, you can say there is no before the noun you don't know what is the exact numerical value, or you don't know the exact definite thing about the art, about the sentence, about the noun, right? That is your indefinite. And in your indefinite comes and in your definite, let's see first definite. Definite is your the. This is your definite, which is saying the. You are sure. Here you are, you can say not sure. You're not sure that whatever you are talking about the noun, you're not sure about it, how much the quantity, you're talking about the qualitative form. Here in your definite for article, you are having full surety. You're definitely sure that that particular noun is how much in quantity. You are having a full knowledge, you're having a full surety. And in your indefinite, you have two forms, or you can say two adjectives, which will be demonstrating it. That is your a and n, and one by one we'll be looking into this. This is your a. Now let's begin with the rule for your how, when you have to use a. The first rule says singular noun, whatever it is starting with, it has to be a singular noun with a consonant, right? Right, before a is used, you all know how many alphabets are there. There are 26 alphabets in English, and out of those 26 there are 5 vowels. And if you minus 5, how many are left? Just calculate it, and the leftover are your consonant, that is your 21. 21 are your consonants, and whenever in your whenever the word start, whenever a word is starting with a consonant, that is your, apart from your a, e, I, o, u, you have to use this a word for a singular noun. We are talking about a singular object, like I'm saying this is, right, a marker. I'm talking about singular, a marker. Marker is a noun and it's singular because there's one only. So what the word I'll be using? I'll be using the article here, a, right? A cat, a dog, a pen, a marker, a book, a duster, right? This is a blackboard. This is a singular noun and consonant, because it is again starting with here. I've taken the examples here. Cat, C-A-T. This C is your consonant, D is your consonant. So I'm talking about a single cat. I'm using a. Then you have another rule which says when any noun, any singular noun starting with E or U, but the sound of U comes. As you know, E and U is your vowel, but we are talking about the sound. Whenever you are speaking those words, the sound comes, U sound comes. University, uniform, united. So when in that case, what will you use? You will use a. This is used, a university. See, though it is a vowel, but the sound is coming U, right? What is the sound? U. University, uniform, united. The word U is used, or you can say European, European. The word European starts with a European. European starts with E, but the sound comes U. So U, your sound is coming as U. So what will you use? You are going to use here a European, a university, a uniform, a United Kingdom. So you're using your article a here. Then the third rule says starting with O, your word is starting with O, but the sound of V is coming. So when we are teaching you phonic, I have taken this lesson in my very first video, the phonic sounds. You can see those videos again. Here with your, though the word is starting with O, but the sound is coming of V. Then we use this A again, right? For example, one. See, when I write O-N-E-1. So this O-N-E-1, this O is your how it is sounding? V. One. V. See the V. So we are using a. A 1 rupee note. A few. So this is again in your last rule says when you are not definite of the number of quantity. A few, a little, a lot, a some. Right? You are not, you're not sure of the quantity, then you use your word a. Your letter is a few, a little, a more you can give, right? So next comes your an. Same, an is again falling here and is there with your indefinite terms only. When we use an, it is singular. First rule says singular noun starting from A, E, I, O, U, vowel. Any one of the vowel. If your singular noun is starting from this, any one of the vowel, and again the vowel sound is also coming with that, what do you use? You use an. A-N, an. Your vowel sound has to also be there. I'm writing here vowel sound of all these letters A, E, I, O, U. Then you have to use this an. Then next